In the sun-drenched garden, a symphony of colorful flowers and lush plants flourishes under the warm afternoon light. A grandfather shares his wisdom, kneeling beside his grandchild to demonstrate the sacred act of planting seeds. The grandfather imparts timeless wisdom: use all your gifts wisely and care for God's creations. Innocence blooms as the child echoes the sentiment: "I'll plant seeds and love the earth." Above, ethereal words appear: use your gifts wisely, a celestial reminder of the earth's endless potential. In the sun-drenched home, a child meticulously sorts recyclables, embodying a small but significant act of environmental stewardship. With mindful precision, the child turns off the faucet, conserving water as a precious resource. On-screen text illuminates the scene: care for God's creations, a gentle reminder of our shared responsibility. In the heart of the community, a child and their grandfather cultivate life in a vibrant garden, their hands dancing with nature. Beneath the radiant sun, smiling faces reflect the profound joy of collaboration and shared purpose as the community thrives in unity. The screen displays: be a great steward of His love.